Dive into the world of stock market mastery with our exclusive 200 stock market ebooks collection. This collection covers diverse range of topics, from renowned classics to cutting-edge resources. How I made $2 million in the stock. How to make money trading with charts. The complete trading course. The Millionaire next door. The money game. The Unusual Billionaires. Trading as a business. Getting started in options. How to make money in stocks. How I made $2 million in stock market. 25 rules of day trading. Getting started in hedge funds and much more. Learn from the masters. Adopt winning strategies and stay ahead of the curve with our curated selection of ebooks. Do not miss out on this invaluable resource. Invest in your financial future today with our 200 stock market ebooks collection.